Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Auto Dealers. Today we have the 2019 Volkswagen Golf Alltrack. This one specifically is fitted with the 6-speed manual, silk blue metallic exterior, beige leatherette interior, and of course the 6-speed. Total price comes to $34,530. This is the SE trim, and it is really, really nice in here. Very, very nice panoramic sunroof. Of course, the Alltrack is essentially the Golf wagon, so it's still a hatchback, but it's more of a wagon. Nice vanity mirror with LED lights that shut off. Nice. Here is your 6-speed manual. Not bad at all. Really, really nice. This is an adjustable armrest. How so, you ask? Well, you push the lever and you'll feel kind of like ratchets, and you just let go of this once you want to lock it in position, and it locks down. To bring it back to normal, all the way up, back down, and it's in its lowest setting. Without further ado, let's go ahead and head out on the road. It also does do automatic parallel parking. No, it saw one. Let's see if it'll do it. Let's see if I can do it again. I mean, obviously there's no spots right there. Yeah, you're gonna have to have a car for it to do that. But it's a really cool feature. See if I can find some cars out on the road and we can try parallel parking next to them. This features the 1.8 liter TSI motor, meaning it is turbocharged. So it does make a good amount of power for what it is. This is also platform mates with the Audi Allroad. This is the Alltrack, that's the Allroad. cruises on the highway really, really well. And it is super, super comfortable to drive. Do have a bunch of different drive modes: off-road mode, sport mode, custom. We'll keep it in sport mode. I guess they never set the tire pressure sensors at the factory. Either that or we got a flat tire. One of the two. Kind of eyeing these parking lots to see if there's a so-called parallel parking spot. We'll go down this way for a change. Might be a spot down here. There we go. See, can it go between two pillars? And it did it. Look at that. That is awesome. That is really, really kind of cool. Owner of that truck's probably looking at me like, what is he doing? I'll probably cut the video just a tiny bit early, just because I've done Alltracks before. But thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.